If your chicken not covered like this, you ain't flavouring it right or seasoning it right, okay? Look at them. That will do just like that. Before I fry them, I let them sit for a minute. You got to let them sit for a minute, baby. Let them sit. Let them sit, okay? Bye. For the next thing I'm gonna do for my cornbread, put grease in it, okay? Catch y'all in a minute. Bye. Then y'all, I put grease in my cornbread. Here go the grease. Here go the skillet. Grease in the cornbread. Goes in the cornbread. Okay, that's that silver. That grease is ready. That grease is ready. Okay. Stir it all around. Stir it all around. Stir it. You don't beat it. You stir it when you put the grease in. You put the grease in. You don't beat it out. Don't beat it. Don't beat it. That's how my cornbread get good and moist and fluffy. Okay? Alright, y'all. Bye. What I'm finna do, y'all, I'm finna put the cornbread, I got it here, putting it back in the skillet. I done mixed it up and everything. Got to make sure you mix it up real good. Look at that. Ooh, look at that good cornbread. Look at that. Just look at that. Let me taste. Now it's time for me to put it in the oven. Ow. Okay. Shit. Okay. Let me taste the cornbread filling. Alright, y'all. Good as hell. Bye.